It has been almost a year since a deadly shooting on Metropolitan Parkway claimed the life of a 51-year-old father of 6.
Well, new tonight, loved ones of the man who say they are still waiting for justice following a number of delays in court tied to one of several high-profile RICO cases.
Fox 5's Joy Dukes joins us at the live desk with a breakdown. Joy?
Yeah, Courtney Russ, good evening to you both. Police say Derek Diop Williams was shot to death on Metropolitan Parkway in March of last year. Since then, his family has waited for his accused killer to stand trial, but that day hasn't come due to scheduling conflicts with the defendant's attorney, who is also counsel on the YSL RICO case.
In a year's time, nothing.
Just a day shy of the anniversary of Derek Diop Williams' shooting death, his sister Carla Williams says the wheels of justice haven't moved much at all, despite his accused killer turning himself in within days of the crime in March of last year.
We've been to court about 3 or 4 times in the year just to be turned away.
Turned away after a judge granted several motions to postpone the state's trial against 49-year-old Charles Cooper Jr., who stands accused of firing the fatal gunshot. Those motions, filed by the defendant's attorney, Kirton Matthews, cite scheduling conflicts with the defendant he's representing in the ongoing YSL RICO trial.
It's just not fair. Yeah. It's just not fair.
Manny Aurora is a criminal defense attorney unrelated to the case. He tells Fox 5 in a RICO indictment as sweeping as the YSL case, the workload for attorneys is extensive.
You're going every single day. The government started with 700 witnesses. This penalizes other cases, other victims, other defendants that are sitting in jail.
Williams and her mother shared their frustrations with members of Atlanta City Council on Monday.
That's my child. It may not be important to anybody else, but it's important to me.
A spokesperson for DA Fonnie Willis's office said, quote, the district attorney's office is dedicated to ensuring justice for Derek Williams and his family and is fully prepared to begin trial as soon as a date is set by the presiding judge, end quote. It's unclear when that day may come, but Williams says they'll never stop asking. And the attorney for the suspect just sent us a statement that reads in part, while we empathize with the loss of life in this case, Charlie Cooper Jr. is an innocent man, and he, just as the other parties involved in this action, is looking forward to having his day in court. The next hearing in this case is scheduled for next Friday, April 5th. At the live desk, Joy Dukes, Fox 5 News.
Yeah, hopefully they can get some answers and some justice. Joy, thanks.